Everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having another good day. It's been a minute, you guys. I got to get y'all spooled up. So if you have not, I went ahead and dropped the AirDog 2 5G 220 GPH lift pump video yesterday. That was an awesome install, very good. AirDogs all the way. Check that video out. I'll put a card up here or wherever it goes at, so you can check that video out. Now the purpose of today's video is I have a lot of explaining to do, and a lot of parts to show you guys in terms of what we have coming up for the truck, so you guys can know what's coming up, and then you can potentially drop a comment to let me know what video you would like to see, you know, in order or however it may be. Okay, so like always, you guys, thank you for joining. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I want to hear what you guys got to say. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the video. So we'll go ahead and get it started over here. So what we have right here, you guys, is a Revmax billet valve body. All right, I'm probably gonna have to get two hands to take this out. Yeah, let me go ahead and get two hands so I can take this out for you guys. All right, so I figured I would just go ahead and take it out the box one time, so it'd be easier for you guys to be able to just see what I got going on. So first things first, we got a bunch of transmission goodies. So we got a Revmax deep dish transpan. This is gonna add about 4.5 quarts, I believe, ATF. But then over here, we have 68 RFE billet channel plate from Revmax. This is it, the whole shebang. This thing is beautiful, y'all. Legit, thick, massive. I'm pretty sure that goes at 1 inch. Let me see if I have my measuring tape over here. I probably don't, because usually when oh, actually I do. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. You guys see that? That's an inch thick billet channel plate. This thing is legit nasty, and it has the extra thick separator plate. Now on my last truck, I only had I had a stock valve body with a ATS separator plate, ATS accumulator plate, and that was it really. Everything else was still stock on it. All of the worm gears, all of the accumulator pistons, everything in here was stock. One second, let me flip this over so you guys can see the other side. The other side is just a regular cat side. But man, oh man, this thing, no, it looks good. Beautiful. Let y'all see that real quick. Check this thing out. Man, this is artwork right here, you guys. Beautiful. Solenoid pack's gonna sit here that way, so you have to swap it. But yeah, you can get this on Revmax website, you guys. This is gonna be awesome. So some benefits from this, and I'll go more in depth when I make the video, but added line pressure, pretty much zero cross leaks in your valve body. So if you're not familiar with what cross leaks are basically when there's different passages in your valve body that sends fluid to perform certain functions. Well, when you start experiencing cross leaks, things will happen that aren't supposed to happen at certain times, i.e. shift flares, random lockup, meaning your lockups aren't consistent, all sorts of little stuff like that. This is going to eliminate all of that. In all honesty, 80% of people with a 68 RFE, just by doing a valve body, a good quality valve body, you easily can increase your trans to be able to hold, I'd say, 600 horsepower safely. Anything after 6, you're gonna need some more than that. But a lot of people will get away with just running this. They'll make a 600 horsepower truck and it'll be awesome. 550, you know what I'm saying? Deep dish pan, that's obviously gonna go ahead and help with bracing the transmission, because we all know the 68s don't have the thickest casting for the bell housing and just for the transmission itself, so that's gonna help with that. And then also over here we have probably a small but very, very good mod, and it's a cheap mod. I did this on my channel before. This is a Revmax thermostat bypass block. Okay, so this is going to replace the stock transmission thermostat, which is known for getting stuck, and if it gets stuck in a closed position, it's going to bypass your oil cooler, which is going to you're basically going to overheat your trans. That prevents that, and it also, people have seen anywhere from 15 to 30 degree drop in trans temps. So we have this stuff here going on for the trans temps, and we also have some Amsoil Atf So when we do it, you already know we're about to be putting the good stuff in. I will have a link to Revmax website. I will have a link for it. Well, the link's already down there, but if you need some Amsoil from my boy Adrian, his information is down below in the description section, all that good stuff. But we're not done yet. But wait, there's more. Yo, we have a Banks rear diff ram air cover for the rear differential. This thing is pretty beefy. It's actually really beefy and massive. I went with the raw one because we will be powder coating this bad Larry. Same dude who powder coated my turbo and something else, valve cover rocker. We also have over here a Banks pedal monster. Bada boom. Now this one, you guys, I know it's a little. This one's a little. People are like, oh, if your truck's tuned, you can technically, your tuner can adjust your throttle sensitivity, etc. But I think there's some things in here, you guys, that will benefit anybody or almost anybody. I'm gonna put this on the truck. I'm real curious about it. A lot of people have it on. I know Ryan Mayer runs it on pretty much all his vehicles and etc. So we got that. We got the Banks stickers. It comes with the hardware. One thing I'm really fond of is the O-ring for the back side of, instead of it being a gasket or goddamn, instead of it being a gasket or using RTV, none of that, just the O-ring, and it works too. So that's pretty sweet, because if you ever need to take off your rear diff cover, you ain't got to sit there and pry it off or scrape off old gasket maker, which I'm legitimately excited about. That comes with a sight gauge on it. This thing, it looks beautiful. This is a piece of work right here. I did reach out to the team over at Banks. Jay over there was more than willing to help me out, and he said he checked out the channel and all that good stuff. So Jay, if you're watching this, brother, I appreciate the help, man. But I'm pumped about this one, man. This is gonna be a super good install, and hopefully there's more to come. So I'm real eager. I'm like, all this stuff I'm excited about, man. We got the Revmax parts over there. Never had a Revmax transmission part before on my truck. Tom and the boys out there got the truck all washed up. I washed it this morning. It's looking good. Check that out. Fresh wash to start the work week. What else, man? What else? I feel like I got some more stuff, but oh yeah, I ordered some products and detailing products from Renegade. I do not recommend this soap, Maxi Suds. It says concentrated, you only need 1-2 ounces per car. I was extremely disappointed. I put probably like 3 fat squirts, so probably about 5-6 ounces in my foam cannon, and it came out like milk. Like, it was just runny. Not a fan of that at all. We got that. Oh, that's what I need to tell you guys. Okay, so check it out, you guys. I have a brand new, never opened AFE Magnum Force cold air intake setup for a 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500, 3500. Basically, if you got a 6.7, if you got a 6.7 Cummins from 2013 to 2018, hit me up, you guys. It's for sale. I'm selling it for $300. Brand new. This goes for about $380, $400. It's brand new, never opened. So if you guys are interested, want a cold air intake, definitely come at me. Email me everything_diesel, or sorry, email me at everythingdiesel@gmail.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram, everything_diesel. Hit me up and we'll set it up and I'll mail it to you. I will ship within the country if you guys are interested in it. So definitely let me know. I have cold air intake for sale. Yeah, I think that's it so far. I think I got you guys caught up. Okay, so where we sitting at right now with the truck, AirDog 5G. First AirDog 5G installed by somebody not from AirDog on YouTube. So definitely check that video out, because I think it's an awesome video. Took my time, tried to be as detailed as possible. So definitely go check that video out. Besides that, the Smedden S369 SXE has been running phenomenal. I've been daily driving the truck every day to work and all that stuff. Just trying to get miles on the truck. Yeah, man. I've been working a lot, you guys. So I know you guys know I'm missing and whatnot. I've been gone for like a month, but I do this for a side hustle. or not side hustle. YouTube is a side project or a side thing. Being active duty in the military, sometimes, you know, you gotta pause and go work and do stuff and then come back when you can. So that's basically where it happened with me. I'm gonna try to get back into the groove and just keep pumping out the content for you guys. So with that being said, until next time, you guys take care, be safe. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see first. Banks, diff cover, Revmax valve body, deep dish transpan, pedal monster. If you want to see the pedal monster installed, just let me know, man. Let me know what you guys want to hear. All right, so until next time, you guys take care, be safe, peace out, and I will see you guys soon.